Hello everyone, this is Kaustubh Naik and today is 12th of January 2023. Here we are again to discuss on the Nifty January future and Bank Nifty January future. Whatever has happened today in the market, this video comment is purely based on my point of view and all the content is only for the educational purpose, alright? Now let us get started. Today was a weekly expiry and it was what a mind blowing. First we made good profit, then we lost all the profit, and then again made a lot of losses, and then we recovered, and finally somehow we closed the day a little more than the break even. And it was an amazing day. If I can show you my order book, you can just have a look how the market looked. So it was like amazing. We traded few of them in like approximately 20-30 lots, and then normally we just traded like 2 lots on this account, and that's how I'm able to show you. And then you can see this how it has been going. I'll just take you down to slowly, and then you can just have a look, take a snapshot or pause the video, and then you can see. All right, cool. So now here we have Nifty January future. I'll just be starting with the how the market has performed today and how it might tomorrow. All right, so the previous close over here is at 17,962, open is at 17,982, slightly higher than the previous closing. High is at 18,019, the low it created here is at 18,800 and 17,820. all right, so now let us move to the chart and a 3-minute time frame and then see how the market has performed. So yesterday the market had closed approximately at this level, and after the market closes at this level, the market opens up around this point, and then go after opening slightly goes up but could not stay there. The body of the candle is very long and the wick is a very longer at the higher side, because it is slightly unable to sustain itself on the higher side, and that's what has happened. Even at the next candle at approximately 9:33, it has taken a huge rejection at 18,020, and from there the market has started to fall down to the bottom side. And after falling down here it is and after breaking the support number 1, and that's where we saw it coming, and we took a put option in, and after that the market started to go down up until here at approximately the support number 2 was reached at 10:30 each level, and the gap then the distance was 971 to 880. So that's a quick 100 point, and which is again an amazing one to capture in. And then you can see how the market has been performing. Post that the market started to become a slightly sideways, and then the market stayed after sideways, slightly goes up, which gave an indication that the market might go up until here, but nothing happened. Something similar to that. What happened the next moment was the market fell down very quickly at approximately 18,820, and that move was slightly quicker, and then post that it recovered way too faster than expected, and approximately it closed the high of 17,930. And after that the market went on a very sideways note at approximately 17,924 was its closing for today's 12th January weekly expiry, which is as well known as Thursday. All right, so right now the market has closed below the trend line, and the market is over at this outlook, and you can just have a look. I'll just zoom it out and shift the time frame to the 10-minute and then show it to you. So right now the market is below the trend line. What I can expect tomorrow is a good gap down or a flat opening, and my first target would be 17,772. all right, so if you have watched yesterday's video, you might have also seen that I have said in that video that my stop loss will be at around 18,100 ish, that level, while my target would be at 17,750 ish level. It did not hit my target, but it did hit very close to my target, which was 820 each level. I do not remember what exactly was the target. I'll have to check it in my book, but yeah, it was more far away from this, but it's okay. What I can do is I can expect my target to be hitting in tomorrow's time. All right, cool. So now let us move to the Bank Nifty January future and see how the market has performed. All right, the previous close here is at 43,393, open is at 42,350, low is at 41,910, high is at 42,500. all right, so now let us go on the chart. Let us shift the time frame to the 3-minute and then see So the market had closed over here, and we were expecting a great, slightly or maybe a little bit more, a bull run in the market on Bank Nifty, but that did not happen, unfortunately, and it is completely okay. We took a first stop loss in this, and after that we changed our direction after rectifying our mistake and then following the trend line. All right, cool. So now the market has closed over here. After opening the market at this candle, it could not sustain. If you see the first candle, the body of the candle is very small, but the wick of the candle is way too huge on the higher side, as well as the lower side is also a lot, and there has been a lot of volatility. And in the first three candles, the first three volume candles are also on a higher side. There's a lot of selling volume has been coming up, and the next five candles are like 3-4 candles were similar to it. Could not much say on top of that, so it has been slightly on that part. All right, after that the market started to go up slightly up until 42,500 ish level. If you see, the high is also 42,500. From there the market started to fall and then comes in or below our range, which was driven at this point, and after that the market starts to drop down, breaks the support number 1 at this point, which is 42,250 ish level. From there, followed by touching our second target, which is 42,000 exactly, and from there it quickly recovers to this point at 42,286 and just touches the resistance. Okay, followingly you can just see how the trend line has drawn, and after the trend line the body has broken this. In order to go more down, this comes back up until here, and after coming back up until here, the next candle followed by the same, it goes even more further down to 41,910 level, and from there it again recovers way too faster on this note. And you can see how it has recovered. It has made sure that nobody is trying to get a lot of profit, but volatility is at its best. If you are an option seller, you might have definitely minted a lot, but if you are a beginner or anything, that issue will be slightly there over here, but it is okay. That is how it is, and 42,230 is the closing of the Bank Nifty. What we can expect tomorrow is slightly flat or normal opening, and then we can expect a little bit gap down, and my stop loss would be at this level, which is 42,500, and my target would be to this level, 41,650. And if it's on the higher side, my stop loss will be exactly at today's low, which is 41,910, and my target would be at this point, which is 42,620. all right. So yeah, let's see how the market's going to perform tomorrow, and we'll see around how it will be going. All right, so thank you so much everyone for staying up until here. I'll see you in tomorrow's episode.